not supposed to be high.
We're at our elementary school.
For some reason, the wood chips are floating.
I don't think wood chips are supposed to float. Taylor, I found a star!
It's so random.
Oh my god, let's go.
I don't know.
Can I see your iPod? I won't drop it, I promise.
We're still taking the video.
I know. It's so warm right here for some reason. It's kind of scary. And then,
Ready?
Taylor, what are you gonna do?
Ready?
Oh my god. Taylor, no, bad. If you fall, look at her butt. Oh my god, booty booty. Oh my god, Taylor, what was that for? I don't know what the point. I found another star. It's pink this time. Where'd it go?
Oh, no.
There it is. Die star. Where'd it go? Oh.
Well, as you can see, it's not supposed to be this watery.
Ew. All right, are you done with the last now, Taylor?
Yeah.
Can we get out now? Oh,
Yeah.
ew. Ah. And like it goes up, but then it like seeps right back down.
This is so deep.
It's disgusting. It's like up to mine. Let's go. Taylor. So cool because it's gross. Ew. Oh, Taylor, it's starting to rain kind of hard again.
Okay, this is my flip-flop. Not only hold up your arm. My flip-flop is like the size of her arm. Right there. See that? Okay.
Taylor!
That's how deep it is. Oh my god, it's raining!
Pouring rain. Your mom's gonna be like, "Why are you wet?"
We're
the
gonna have
rain.
to just... No, we can't tell it. Okay, we're gonna go and die now because we're not supposed to be outside.
Deuces!
Peace, bitches!
Give